This condo has it all. First floor master suite, garden tub and walk-in shower. First floor large laundry room with plenty of cabinets. Upstairs features 2 additional bedroom suites, each with full bath and closet plus a nightstand, can be used as a bedroom office, and large loft area with skylights overlooking lake with lighted fountain. Wonderful condo for family or couples to share. Large screen lanai with view of lake, second floor balcony for private sunbathing or relaxing with a drink. Plenty of space for everyone. Large 2-car garage. West long driveway holds 6 cars. Newer stainless appliances. First floor air conditioned Aug 2017. Second FL air conditioner August 2014. New roof April 2018. Beautiful community offers walking, biking, large fitness center with full-time instructor, tennis courts with full-time instructor, Arnold Palmer designed golf course, golf pro on staff, clubhouse and grill room for formal and informal dining options. Village Condo Association has large beautiful heated community pool with lounge chairs and patio dining tables and chairs. Separate basketball and tennis courts right next to pool. The village at Wildcat is the perfect spot for relaxing and entertaining. Don't miss this home.